What is up, viewers? Welcome back to our channel Tech It's Simple. So basically in the channel, we post tutorial videos. So in this tutorial video, I will be explaining to you guys like how we guys can, log in into Rocket Mortgage account. So basically, it's pretty simple. So follow the steps, which I'm going to be showing you. And yeah, if you guys are a new viewer, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, everybody. And yeah, let's move into the video. So the first step is you want to search for Rocket Mortgage login, just like I did over here on my screen, and then click on the first link over here. After clicking on the first link, it's going to take you over here. And what you want to do is once you're over here, there's like a red sign in button as you guys can see, just click on it, and it's going to take you to this page. And over here just basically enter your username. Red asks you for a username, and then enter the password where it asks you for your password. And then what you want to do is click on sign in, and there you go. You should be able to log in into a Rocket Mortgage account. Is that simple? So hope you guys understand. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.